Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best ultralight water bottle in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is LIFEWTR Premium Purified Water Bottle. LIFEWTR is Pepsi's version of Smartwater. The 1-liter bottle is identical to the Smartwater 1L in almost every way. The differences are minor. The LIFEWTR bottle is a tad heavier, shaped slightly differently, and available in a bunch of snazzy designs. Like Smartwater bottles, it's compatible with Sawyer filters and the Smartwater sports cap. If it's the only water bottle you can find before hitting the trail, it's an excellent choice. With Smartwater bottles being so ubiquitous, I've even read about hikers who prefer LIFEWTR bottles as a way to stand out from the crowd. Showcase your personality a bit by picking a design you like. Number 2. Our second best pick is Smartwater Vapor Distilled Premium Water Bottles. A backpack with a couple Smartwater bottles sticking out of the side pockets might be the most telltale sign of a hiker's ultralight ambitions, after a toothbrush that's been chopped in half, of course. Their popularity is well deserved. They are compatible with Sawyer filters. They are tall and slender, which makes it easy to fish them out of the side pockets of most backpacks. Smartwater bottles are durable despite being disposable. One A-through hiker carried one for 3 months, only throwing it out because it started to get grimy. Once they do need to be replaced, it's easy to find them in any grocery or convenience store. Also, you can buy the 700 ml Smartwater with a sports cap. The sports cap is a flip-up cap that makes it easy to drink from your bottle with one hand and can be used to backflush Sawyer filters without the cleaning plunger. We recommend getting it, then transferring it to your compatible bottle of choice, whether that's a Dasani, Smartwater, LIFEWTR, or something else. We named the Smartwater 1L our runner-up after the Dasani 1L simply because the Dasani is half an ounce lighter. Though if you already backpack with Smartwater bottles and they work well for you, there's no compelling reason to switch. Number 3. Our third best pick is Platypus Platy 2-liter Flexible Water Bottle. Platypus containers, such as the smaller soft bottles and larger containers, are very popular among backpackers. Their lightness is unmatched. The Platy 2.0L bottle checked in at just 1.31 ounces, making it the lightest container we tested on a per-liter basis. However, newer Platypus containers aren't compatible with Sawyer filters, a big drawback if you like to filter straight from your storage container into your water bottles. For that reason, we ranked the Platypus below the EVERNEW. Gremlini's looking for the lightest possible option should consider the Platypus as long as the filter incompatibility isn't a concern. A final side note, older Platypus bags are compatible with Sawyer filters, and some reviewers say as much in their review. While it is true their containers are compatible, the new container that you'll be buying will not be. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is EVERNEW Water Carry System. During my research, I read accounts of many lightweight backpackers who use the following water carrying system: 2 1-liter water bottles with a 1 or 2-liter collapsible water container. The EVERNEW Water Carry Bag is our favorite collapsible container. We tested the 2-liter size, but it's also available in 0.6, 0.9, and 1.5 L sizes. When hikers think of water containers, they tend to think of those from Platypus. However, EVERNEW bags have a distinct advantage over Platypus bags: they're compatible with Sawyer filters. That feature alone was enough to make them our favorite. A few other features make them a joy to use. The cap is attached to the container, making it difficult to misplace. The built-in shock cord helps keep the bottle rolled up when stored. The gusseted bottom allows it to stand on flat ground when full without falling over, something the Platypus container had more trouble doing. At 1.48 ounces, the EVERNEW 2L is slightly heavier than the Platy 2.0L, which weighs 1.31 ounces, but we consider this difference negligible, especially when you take into account the EVERNEW's added benefits. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is HydraPak Seeker Collapsible Water Storage. The Katadyn Be-Free is one of the most popular backpacking water filters. Its exceptional flow rate, at the start at least, has won over many. One of its downsides is its thread pattern. Unlike Sawyer filters, the Be-Free isn't compatible with soda and water bottles. What it is compatible with are certain water containers from HydraPak, the company that makes the soft flask included with the filter. The Seeker 2L, a collapsible bottle, is our recommended water container for hikers who use the Be-Free because, along with being compatible with the Be-Free, its weight and capacity are well suited for backpacking. Yet we don't recommend the Seeker to anyone else. Beyond its Be-Free compatibility, there is little that makes it stand out. It's the heaviest and most expensive bottle we tested. Plus, it isn't compatible with Sawyer filters or the Smartwater sports cap. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.